You just want the flavor, flavor. You just want the flavor, flavor. Hey guys, it's your girl Shenseea, and today we're gonna be making a sticker inspired by my new album. What I like the most about stickers is that it gives a different form of expression. I want to use a sticker that's like in the same realm of the album cover. Right here, right now, I would have to say it's this one. My most used emoji. Oh, so I would have to say the dragon. Give a little green heart because it matches. Why not? So I'm gonna go with maybe a peace sign. I'm supposed to add a little glow because I'm a star girl. Oh, cute. I think it's missing something. Maybe a fire emoji? Let's see. Because I'm a hot gal. Oh, we gotta put a Jamaican flag because we're always representing. I have a song called Flavor on the album. Maybe we can say full of flavor. That's cool. Ooh, let's go through and pick another sticker. It's cool. I can do better. What do you think? Artist in the booth and an artist on the canvas. I'm going to be sharing this sticker in my WhatsApp channel, so make sure you follow me to see it for yourself.